Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your HR management with BambooHR, complete guide step by step clearly. First, visit the BambooHR website. Click on the Get Started button for a free trial. Fill out the necessary information to create your account. Once your account is set up, log into the BambooHR dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the user interface. Navigate to the Employee tab to start adding your team members. Select Add Employee to enter individual employee data. Fill in essential details like name, job title, and contact information. Upload any relevant documents, such as contracts or identification. Next, explore the Time Off section in the dashboard. Set up your company's time off policies for vacation, sick leave, and other types of leave. Ensure you customize the policies according to your organization's needs. Move on to the Reports tab to access valuable analytics. Generate reports to track employee performance and attendance. Use these insights to make informed HR decisions. Now, head to the Performance section. Set up performance review cycles to evaluate employee progress. Implement feedback tools to facilitate continuous communication. Next, explore the onboarding feature. Create a structured onboarding process for new hires. Include checklists, training schedules, and introductory documents. Then, integrate any third-party applications your organization uses. Visit the Integrations tab to connect tools like payroll or project management software. Make sure to customize the settings for seamless operation. Consider utilizing BambooHR's mobile app for on-the-go access. Download the app from your device's app store. Log in using your BambooHR credentials for instant access. Stay updated with notifications for employee requests and approvals. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.